In this video, I'll show you how to withdraw money from Uniswap. First, it's important to know that Uniswap is not a bank account. If you want to withdraw money, you usually have two options. The first option is to sell your crypto for local currency through Uniswap's sell feature. Uniswap's support page says you can use the buy/sell section in the Uniswap wallet or web app and cash out through a fiat off-ramp provider with the money sent to your bank account. To do that, open Uniswap, select buy/sell, then tap sell at the top. Choose the token you want to sell, enter the amount, and review the provider options available in your region. Payment methods, supported countries, and verification requirements can vary depending on the provider, so always check the rate, fees, and payout details before you confirm. The second option is to send your crypto from your Uniswap wallet to a centralized exchange, then withdraw it to your bank from there. Uniswap's wallet guide says you can open your wallet, tap send, enter the receiving address, choose the token, review the transfer, and confirm. Uniswap also warns that blockchain transfers are permanent, so make sure the address, token, and network all match before sending. Before you withdraw, it's also smart to do a small test first and make sure you have enough native gas token for network fees. Once the sale or transfer is completed, you can track the status in your wallet activity or through the provider or exchange you used. Hope the tutorial was helpful, subscribe to my channel, and see you in the next video.